The Ari from Safed, as we said, he was a businessman, and he was also a great sage and a wise person, and people came to him to ask for his advices. One day, a wise person comes to the Ari and says, look, I feel that I'm finishing my level of spiritual journey. However, I feel something is missing. I don't know what. Can you tell me what it is? The Ari looks at him. It's not a robbery, it's not a theft, but it's a kind of a theft in your actions, and go and find by yourself. So this guy goes home, and he thinks, and he thinks, and he contemplates, and he contemplates. Like many of these sages in Safed at that time, it was a big commercial center, especially of textile. He had his own factory, and in his factory they were weaving threads from wool especially. And then after a few days he was contemplating about where could that be the flaw in my actions. He realized maybe when I am paying to my workers who are weaving the threads that I make a living from selling these threads, maybe I'm not paying them enough.